It's been a year since health reform passed, and already America's children are healthier and their parents are breathing easier. I'm Bill Bentley, President and CEO of Voices for America's Children. We've been monitoring the effects of health reform on ordinary Americans, and we found that children are the big winners. Health reform stopped insurance companies from denying coverage to children already sick with pre-existing conditions. It's also stopped companies from setting limits on the health care they would give, and it allows children to remain on the health insurance plans of their parents until they turn 26. Changing these policies has changed children's lives.
Last year, Lorene Hensley could only hope that her daughter Samantha didn't have the big one, the kind of 20-minute long seizure that would send her to the hospital again. This American family had had their employer health insurance dropped, and the insurance companies refused to cover a child with Samantha's kind of epilepsy. I'm Carla Plaza, and I work on health policy with Voices. Before health reform, the story of this family was repeated throughout the country. Did you know that nearly 8 million children in this country lack health coverage? And the skyrocketing costs meant even middle-class families struggle to obtain basic health care. But because of the new health law, insurance companies can't deny care to Samantha and kids like her just because they're already sick. She and tens of thousands of other uninsured children can now be covered because insurers can no longer deny them for pre-existing conditions. And more than 1 million young adults will gain insurance because they can stay on their family's plan until they turn 26. This is an anniversary of a great win for child health. Too many families were priced out of coverage in this country, and too many of those with coverage couldn't rely on it or saw their costs skyrocket. But this time, a year ago, we changed our health insurance system and changed children's lives in the process.